Phrasal verbs for cleaning and chores. Wipe down. Meaning, to clean a surface by rubbing it with a cloth or sponge. Examples: I need to wipe down the kitchen counter after cooking. She wiped down the table before setting the plates. Sweep up. Meaning, to clean by using a broom to collect dirt or debris. Examples: he swept up the leaves in the backyard. After the party, we had to sweep up all the crumbs. Mop up. Meaning, to clean a liquid spill using a mop or cloth. Examples: she mopped up the spilled juice quickly. He grabbed a towel to mop up the water from the floor. Dust off. Meaning, to remove dust from a surface by wiping or brushing. Examples: I need to dust off the bookshelf before guests arrive. She dusted off the old photo frames on the table. Tidy up. Meaning, to clean and organize a space. Examples: let's tidy up the living room before our friends come over. She tidied up her desk before starting work. She tidied up her desk before starting work. Rinse out. Meaning, to clean something by running water through it. Examples: he rinsed out the coffee cup before using it again. She rinsed out the detergent bottle before recycling it. Throw away. Meaning, to dispose of something that is no longer needed. Examples: she threw away the expired food from the fridge. Don't forget to throw away the old newspapers. Don't forget to throw away the old newspapers. Scrub off. Meaning, to remove dirt or stains by rubbing hard. Examples: he scrubbed off the stains from the kitchen sink. The children had to scrub off the mud from their shoes. Pick up. Meaning, to collect or remove things from a place. Examples: she picked up the toys scattered on the floor. He picked up the dirty laundry and put it in the basket. Put away. Meaning, to store things in their proper places. Examples: please put away the dishes after drying them. He put away his clothes after doing the laundry. He put away his clothes after doing the laundry. Vacuum up. Meaning, to clean using a vacuum cleaner. Examples: she vacuumed up the dust from the carpet. He vacuumed up the crumbs under the table. He vacuumed up the crumbs under the table. Wipe off. Meaning, to remove dirt or liquid by wiping. Examples: she wiped off the fingerprints from the glass. He wiped off the coffee stain from the table. Wash out. Meaning, to clean the inside of something using water and soap. Examples: he washed out the blender after making a smoothie. She washed out the baby's bottle before refilling it. Clear out. Meaning, to remove things to make space or get rid of clutter. Examples: we need to clear out the garage this weekend. She cleared out her closet and donated old clothes. Sweep away. Meaning, to remove dust, dirt, or debris with a sweeping motion. Examples: he swept away the leaves from the driveway. She swept away the crumbs from the table after breakfast. Air out. Meaning, to let fresh air into a space to remove odors or moisture. Examples: she opened the windows to air out the room. He aired out his shoes after wearing them all day. Shake out. Meaning, to remove dust or dirt by shaking an object. Examples: she shook out the rug before vacuuming. He shook out his coat to remove the dust. He shook out his coat to remove the dust. Lather up. Meaning, to create foam or bubbles while washing something. Examples: he lathered up the dishes with soap before rinsing them. She lathered up her hands with soap to wash them properly. Wipe up. Meaning, to clean a spill or mess by wiping it. Examples: he wiped up the spilled milk with a napkin. She wiped up the water on the floor before someone slipped.